Hey lovies, so some of you might be asking yourself, why should I be watching DIY with Nan's YouTube channel where I could be out there doing other stuff? Well, there are actually 1,000 reasons why you should be watching, because I will be providing you some secret special remedies for your face or the skin that will blow your mind off. And by the way, you don't really have to be buying all these expensive products that may or may not work for your body or face or the skin. While you can get all the ingredients right at your kitchen store or the supermarket with a cheaper price. In this channel, I will be posting mostly about face natural remedies every Sunday, and I'll also be providing us some special skills on every Friday. It's gonna be like tips which will be kind of important in your everyday life. So I know you're very excited to see what's coming next. Well, you should be, because I have so much more that I would like to share with you all. So before anything, tell a friend, and please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And by the way, don't forget to turn on the notification ring. Peace.